evolution of a workforce, right, I put it into a way where the workforce is getting more smarter rather than hardworking. Productivity getting increased, people are able to analyze things better, people are going to take data analytics very seriously when it comes to employee communication, employee justification, and plus measurement of certain things, whether it's based for your people, based for your clients, right? Artificial intelligence and big data will definitely help us going more personalized with employees rather than focusing on a group. For me, it becomes an enabler, and with all the three generations coming together, I see it as a win-win situation for an organization who has a vision for, or a hunger for growth.